The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today we are now on the fourth Sunday of Lent, and we call it Laetare Sunday. Rejoice, because we are coming closer to the fulfillment of God's mission, which is His resurrection. And our gospel for today is all about the parable of the prodigal son. Most of us knew the story of how the father who had two sons. The first one, the younger son, went away from the father after getting his share of inheritance. But when he lost everything, he went back, and he was lovingly accepted and embraced by the father, restoring the dignity that was lost. And the second one, the elder son, remained, and yet his heart was still far from the father. He may be close physically, but he was far away emotionally because of the bitterness, anger, and jealousy in his heart. My dear sisters and brothers, it is easier for us to say that those two sons were prodigal, wasteful. But how about the father? Some would say the father was also prodigal, wasteful. In what sense? Because the father wasted his love. His love was never reciprocated, and yet he willingly gave his all for his sons. Remember how the father went outside to meet the younger son, even if he was still far off. It was the father who ran to meet the son. And in the same way, when the elder son didn't want to enter the house, again, it was the father who went outside the house to meet the son. In their culture during that time, it was never to happen for a father to meet the sons. It should be the sons running after the father. But the father didn't mind it. That shows the depth of the love of the father. My dear sisters and brothers, that is how our God is. He is willing to meet us at the crossroads of our life. Even if we are still sinners, God will come to run and wait and embrace us. And He will restore the dignity that was lost. He will give us the love even if we are not yet deserving of those. He will restore our dignity just as we are. He loves us even before we come back to Him. The parable of the prodigal son, or the parable of the prodigal father, is reminding us all of the restoration of the love and the promise of God, that we will be truly heirs of His kingdom, and He will welcome us with His loving embrace. God bless you all.